Hello, my name is Wahyi milsa mursyda. You can call me Mesa. I would like to tell you about my extended family. My grandmother has 8 children, 4 men and 4 women. My grandfather died long ago. So my grandmother's first child is man. I call him Makwo. Makwo has 2 children. My grandmother's second child is man. I call him Maknga. Maknga has 3 children. My grandmother's third child is woman. I call she Makwo. Makwo has 6 children. My grandmother's fourth child is man. I call him Makde. Makde has 3 children. My grandmother's fifth child is a man. I call him Makpo. Makpo has 3 children. My grandmother's sixth child is woman. She is my mother. My grandmother's seventh child is woman. I call she Ete. Ete has 3 children. My grandmother's eighth child is woman. I call she Onchu. Onchu has 3 children. So, in this chance, I would like to tell you about my nuclear family. My father's name is Musril. He was born on 4 July 1953. Her job is a farmer. My mother's name is Misnar. She was born on 6 May 1975. Her job is housewife. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My oldest brother's name is Ragil Sandia Wardana. He is 24 years old. He is finished her college at UIN Padang. My brother's number 3, her name is Ihsan Kamil. He is 11 years old and he is a student. My youngest sister name is Alfia Hasna Kamila. She is 4 years old and she is student too. So I don't have niece or nephew, and I have much cousin in my extended family. Thank you.